Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if the iPhone Voice Memos app is not recording your audio. So, if the Voice Memos app is just not recording any audio, it's not picking up anything, then here are two easy ways in order to fix this. And the first one is just simply opening any other app that may want to use your microphone. So let's say we want to open TikTok because we all know that it's going to use our microphone. Now that we've opened TikTok, all we simply want to do is click over on this plus icon and we're going to just simply make a short video where we are using our microphone. And after that we are going to replay that video to see if the microphone is actually working. So when you've done that and you've noticed that the microphone is working over on TikTok, then that means there's something wrong with the Voice Memos app and not per se with something with your iPhone. However, if on TikTok your microphone is also not working, then this simply means that your entire microphone of your iPhone is just damaged or it just doesn't work anymore. And then the only way you can fix this is by simply going into an Apple store and making sure to repair it. And that's basically all you can do because it just means your microphone is not working anymore. Now, if you've tried that, and like I said, if on TikTok or any other external app your microphone is working, then there is something wrong with your actual Voice Memos app. And there's a really easy way in order to fix this. Because even though the Voice Memos app is actually a defaultly installed app over on your iPhone, you can still simply delete it. And we all know that after we delete an app, it will just completely remove it from your entire iPhone. And what we now can simply do is just head over into the App Store again, just like this. And then we're going to simply type in the Voice Memos app and it should be the first one that is going to pop up. Alright, so when you typed in Voice Memos, you just want to make sure it is the first one by Apple. Just install the default one just like this. And now, when you reopen the app, the microphone should work because you've basically just reset the entire app, and this should definitely fix the issue for you. At least that's what my phone fixed the issue for. So yeah, I would recommend trying that and making sure that it now does work. And if it does, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.